NGO चलोवपाक सरकारा कडल्यान आर्थीक मदत मेळना जाल्यार विधानसभेंत वतले म्हूण स्ट्रीट प्रोव्हिडन्साचो ट्रस्टी डॉनल्ड फेर्नांडीसान शिटकावणी दिल्ली. दिल्ले शिटकावणे प्रमाण फेर्नांडीस निराधारांक घेवन विधानसभेंत वचपाक सरकारान फंड दितलो म्हूण सांगल्या उपरांतूय फेर्नांडीसान मोर्चा फाटीं घेतलो ना. हाचेर प्रश्न केल्या उपरांत फेर्नांडीसाची जाप.
Somebody is purposely trying to pull the CM down and show the CM in the bad light. That is my observation.
Do you not request CM to take action on those people?
No, we cannot tell CM that. We cannot tell CM this and that. It is CM's prerogative. We are telling CM give us the money and let us go. That's all. Either we do our work or we go. To do the work you have to pay me. Will you give Providence 50 lakhs for 4 months? Will you give Samato Home 50 lakhs for government? You give no. So let us wait for that authority to come here. Otherwise, we will stay.
No, which is the authority you are waiting?
Whoever
From the social
welfare and director of person with disability. Let them come and tell, or let them call us inside. No, there is no clarity. Nobody is listening to the CM. Nobody is listening. CM has told them twice in front of me, solve this problem. They are not solving. So we have no value. What can we do?
So if they are not willing to solve the issues, then what will be your future course of action?
No, if we are a private trust,
No, afterwards. If they don't resolve this
I'm
issue.
giving the solution. Don't ask again. If we are a private trust, we will come to know today. They have to take these people and put them wherever they want. If we are a public trust, they have to do the inspection tomorrow. If they cannot do the physical inspection, do the video inspection. But don't delay beyond tomorrow. Otherwise, again, we'll come day after with 100 people. We have given them 5 days notice. They are replying yesterday.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकोळेकर.